So the Wine Start menu is an application to keep your Windows environment separate from your Linux environment. You have to have Wine installed already on your Linux OS. So I'm going to launch this Wine Start menu, which is a tool that's going to launch in the Systems tray here. And when I click on it, you'll notice that you get your Windows environment, which is going to be separate from your Linux environment. Now, there are two ways to install applications. You can just download it from the internet and install it like you normally would within Windows. The other way is to install it from the App Store by wraps. Now the advantage of this one is these are applications that have already been tried and tested with Wine and they work very well. So you're better off to install a tool or an application from this instead of just randomly downloading it from the internet, as there could be some issues with it running within Wine. And it's as simple as that. So pretend I needed to install drivers. I can just add a check mark, right click, install, and it's going to install it for me. And that's it. So it's as easy as that. You have your Windows environment separate from your Linux environment. That's Windows. There's Linux. And you can install from the internet, or you can install from the App Store, which are Wine applications or applications that have been tested with Wine and work very well. I hope you find the Wine Start menu application handy.